Okay, so in Mauritius, dear students, no one is stranger. Unknown people, no one, nobody. All are friends. So in Mauritius, one quality is there, and that is a good quality of people, that they smiled and greeted like a long lost friend. So they greeting means hello, hi, hello, good morning, hello, hi. So this is called greetings. Greeting words are hello, hi, hey, good morning, good night, good evening. These are greeting words. So they smiled like a long lost friend. So if you are stranger in Mauritius, you will feel the stranger, but other people, Mauritius people, they are relaxed and they smile at you. Hello, hi. Oh, you will think, oh, I am stranger, but why they are smiling? Because their feelings, their behavior is totally different. They are relaxed, warm towards strangers. They smile, they greeted like a long lost friend. And the atmosphere of Mauritius is totally friendliness. Friendliness means what? Friendly atmosphere. There are all friends. If you visit Mauritius, you will also become friend of that Mauritius people. So the atmosphere of Mauritius is friendliness. All are friends. Friendly atmosphere you can observe, you can see there if you visit Mauritius. It is a wonderful thing about Mauritius that all are friends, and the Mauritius people, they are totally relaxed, extremely relaxed, warm towards stranger, unknown people. No one is stranger, no one is unknown, and atmosphere of Mauritius is friendliness. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this paragraph is about people of Mauritius. About people. I will tell this. So now the next, here I am going to change the page number 24. 8th paragraph. The same atmosphere of friendliness prevails even in Port Louis, the seat of government. So Port Louis is the capital of Mauritius. Port Louis. Capital of Mauritius. And it is a seat of government. Here, cabinet minister. Okay, about cabinet minister. Dear students, here next cabinet minister and other also high level or position. So next the writer tells about Port Louis. Dear students, Port Louis is important city of Mauritius. Actually, Port Louis is the capital of Mauritius. Like capital of India is Yogna. Capital city of India, Yogna. Suhana, yes. New Delhi is the capital city of India. So like this, Mauritius, Port Louis is the capital. It is an important city. You should visit there, Suhana. If you want to go Mauritius, you should visit Port Louis also. This is wonderful city, beautiful city, and it is the capital of Mauritius. So now, this is the capital of Mauritius and seat of government. Means in Port Louis, government people are there. Government means what? Like a cabinet. Yes, no? Cabinet are there, no cabinets. So cabinet minister like education minister, CM, Yes, all the ministers of cabinet, they are there only. So seat of government and cabinet ministers and high position people, other people also, like a CM, like a cabinet, all cabinet minister, they are the high position people. Yes, no, their level is high. They are totally highly means their position is high. So that's why that cabinet ministers and other are just like ordinary people, just like ordinary people. They prevails like ordinary people. Ordinary people means what? Common people. They are common people. Ordinary. No, I am the cabinet minister. I am the cabinet minister. Oh, no. No, dear students. In Mauritius, cabinet minister, high position people from the seat of government in the Port Louis, they live like ordinary people. They are common people. Nothing is there. Nothing is there, dear students. They live. They are just like ordinary people, and they are down to the earth. So I will read and I will explain. So dear students, here the same atmosphere of friendliness prevails even in Port Louis, the seat of government. The cabinet ministers and others in high positions do not act as if they were born to the grace. They are just like ordinary people one bumps into in an airport lungs or in a hotel lobby. They are unamusing, accessible, communicative, and above all go about without a protective shield of hangers on and security men to repel casual approaches. So dear students, here about the minister, about the cabinet minister, some qualities are given. They are ordinary people. Yes, they are totally ordinary people. And here the writer gives the qualities of cabinet ministers. So cabinet ministers, they are totally ordinary people and they are totally down to the earth. They are down to the earth. So they do not show up. They do not show up. So these two qualities are important. First one, they are down to the earth. Down to the earth means what? Not showing up. I am cabinet minister. It's simple. Common people, ordinary people. They are totally ordinary people. And they do not show up. Sometimes we show up. I am the cabinet. Hey, go there. Not like this. They are totally common people. And qualities are also mentioned. Qualities of people. Here I just want to qualities of cabinet ministers. Qualities are there. The first one is unassuming, then accessible. Third one, communicative, and the fourth one, without protection, without security. So unassuming means what? Not arrogant. Friendly. Accessible means friendly. Talkative. So dear students, these are the qualities of cabinet ministers. Even though they are cabinet ministers, their qualities are like common people. We are common people. We are ordinary people. And in Mauritius, cabinet ministers are there. They have these four qualities. The first quality, please, who will read the qualities? Yes, Kirtana, please.
Qualities are unassuming, not arrogant. Accessible means friendly. Communicative means talkative. Without security.
So dear students, these are the four qualities of cabinet ministers. Unassuming means not arrogant, means they are totally amusing, means calm people, not arrogant. Accessible means what? Accessible means friendly. Cabinet ministers are also friendly, and then communicative means talkative. So they speak with you also. If you are stranger, if you are unknown, they speak with you also. In India, cabinet ministers, oh my God, total security will be there. Without security, in Mauritius, cabinet ministers, they don't have security like this. Like a car will come, their vehicle car will come, the security guard will run, open the door, come sir, come sir, come sir. Oh no, nothing is there. Without security, no any protection. No any protection, no any security. Without security, they wander without the security, freely, friendly. So nothing. But in India, ministers, they have too much security. Bodyguards, first, second, third, fourth, and after the vehicle, after the car, five cars, police cars. Oh. Yes, this is the difference between Mauritius. Mauritius cabinet ministers' qualities are unassuming. They are unassuming. They are accessible, means friendly. They are communicative. They can communicate with you. They can speak with you. Then they speak with you, and without security, no any protection. Protective shield is not there. Bodyguards, no need of bodyguards. Wonderful city, Mauritius. These are the qualities R.K. Lakshman observed when he visited Mauritius, and then he has written the travelogue. This lesson is the type of travelogue. So now I will discuss next about the Mauritius. So I am shown a modest looking flat in a busy street lined with shops and crawling traffic. It is a residence of Prime Minister of Mauritius. Port Louis brings to my mind Joseph Conrad and Maugham. So what is the meaning of these things I will discuss, because you don't have textbooks. Veena, I think you observed my teaching last year 8th class. Yes, my teaching style is like this. I know that because I write points on the board and I explain. That is, you can understand very well. But if you don't have textbooks, so that's why I am reading the lesson and I am writing the points and I will explain. This is the better way to understand. Yes, no, Veena?
Yes, sir.
So after history of Mauritius also I will draw. So next here about the one thing I just want to tell you. Two things here R.K. Lakshman described. First thing is residence of PM. Place he described, and the next one is Joseph Conrad and William Maugham, all British writer. British. So now, wonderful thing he explained here, that cabinet ministers are totally common. Okay, I can understand. Cabinet ministers means they are ministers, no. So they are ordinary people. They are friendly. They are communicative. They are not arrogant. But what about PM? What about PM? Yes, no. So Bharat Chandan Singh, tell me the PM. Who is the PM of India? PM. Bharat Chandan Singh, PM of India. Narendra Modi is the PM of India. Very good. And Ramu Tolmatti. Ramu Tolmatti, please tell full form of PM. Full form of PM. Ramu.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Yes, Purnima.
Prime Minister.
Very good. So here R.K. Lakshman described here about PM also. Cabinet ministers, they are common. They are ordinary people. But what about PM? Oh, our PM, Narendra Modi ji. Wow, such a great person. But his lifestyle is different. Narendra Modi's lifestyle is different. But here R.K. Lakshman described the PM, residence of the Prime Minister. Suhana, what is the meaning of residence? Suhana, what is the meaning of residence? Veena, tell me, Veena, residence.
The place where they are living, sir.
The place where we live. Place where we live. Place where we live, that is called residence, means home, our home, house. That is called residence. So, Prime Minister residence here R.K. Lakshman described, and place also he described. Where is the place? Where is it residence? Where is his residence? And the residence is at flat. Flat means house in a busy street with shops and traffic. So, Prime Minister's house is in the flat means house. Prime Minister's flat. Flat in a busy street with shops and traffic. He is Prime Minister, but he lives in a street and his house in a busy street. Busy means what? In market. Busy street means market area. Like Mudhol market area, Gandhi Circle and that bus stand is there. No, that is called a busy street, market area. So in that type of area, Prime Minister live. Busy street. And with shops. With shops means what? Too much shops. Like Gandhi Circle and bazaar is there. No. Market is there, no market. So that is called shop. So with shops and traffic, oh my God, full traffic is there. So in traffic, in shop and in busy street, Prime Minister's house is there. This is the difference between the Mauritius people and India. So that's why when R.K. Lakshman visited there, he compared. Because he compared Mauritius with the works. Whose works? Works means what? Works means poems and novels. Written works. He compared the Mauritius with two writers. Actually, Joseph Conrad and William Morgan. These are the British writers. These are British writers. Both are English writer, British writer, and they are totally known for, they are famous for their poems and novels. They are totally known for their poems and novels. So here why he compared Mauritius with their writing? Because they, whatever they mention in their writing, it is totally like Mauritius. So that's why Joseph Conrad and William Morgan, these are two writers R.K. Lakshman mentioned in your textbook. So now, next what he discussed. This little part town seems as if it were built at the suggestion of these writers to suit their novels and short stories. So here important part he given, that it is a totally writers novels and short stories suit with this small town or Mauritius. Merchant ships are there, trawlers are there, diggings are there, stand anchored in the harbor with cobwebs of ropes and festoons of flags hanging from their mats. This is about the ocean. After the cabinet minister, he described the prime minister. After the prime minister, he described the Joseph Conrad and William Maugham, and then he described about the ocean, about the ships and boats. Then grimy sailors and dog hands in a seaman's caps along in oil drums and packing cases or lean against bleak warehouse walls, smoking pipes. Sugarcane fields like a carpet of green cover the island on all sides as far as the eye can see up to the foot of the distant blue mountains that ring the island. Volcanic happening of geological ages, these mountains outlines are freakish and whimsical with unexpected sweeps and perpendicular drops and pinpointed peaks, precariously doing a balancing act with bounders as big as a skyscrapers. Next to what he described. After reading you cannot understand. I know that. If I read paragraph you can't understand anything because you don't have textbook. I will write the points. Hey Ganesh, off mic. Nonsense, always telling, not following orders. Yes. So here about sugarcane he described. Sugarcane fields. Dear students, I already told you that sugarcane field is more in Mauritius. Sugarcane field. So here, sugarcane fields like a carpet of green. And about mountains also he described. Mountains, blue mountains are there, and they do not have traditional shapes. They are freakish and whimsical. Peaks are there like skyscrapers. So this is about mountains and sugarcane. Dear students, in Mauritius, sugarcane field is more, so that's why wherever you see in Mauritius, sugarcane fields like carpet of green. Carpet you know. So it is like a carpet of green everywhere, lands and lands, acres and acres lands, green lands of sugarcane. Totally sugarcane, full of sugarcane in Mauritius. So it looks like a carpet of green, and that carpet of green from all sides of island, up to the mountains. So next mountains. So dear students, in Mauritius mountains are more, like sugarcane, mountains are also there, and these mountains are that ring the island. Means on island in Mauritius, mountains are there, and they are the volcanic happening of geological ages These mountains do not have the traditional shapes. Here, traditional shapes. Mountains of Mauritius do not have traditional shapes. Different shapes are there. Traditional means in India mountains are there. Oh, that's common. Traditional is common. But they do not have the traditional shapes. Their outlines are freakish. Their outlines of freakish means what? Strange. Strange. Freakish. Their outlines are freakish and whimsical. Whimsical means what? Amusing, amazing or different. Whimsical means amusing. Total different shape, different outlines. These mountains only can be seen in Mauritius. And with unexpected sweeps and perpendicular drop and pinpointed peaks. Pinpointed peaks are there. Peaks. Peaks. Pinpointed peaks. Pinpointed peaks are there, precariously doing a balancing act, and they are doing balancing act with the boulders as big as skyscrapers. Skyscrapers means what? Highest. Skyscrapers means which touch the sky, in the sky. So mountains and peaks are in the sky. They are skyscrapers, highest in height. So mountains are there, peaks are there, sugarcane field, wonderful green carpet of green. So this is called Mauritius, wonderful country. Dear students, now I am going to stop here. Again I will start tomorrow. Lengthy topic, lengthy lesson. 9th paragraph is about traveling, about the vehicles. Yes, about the transport system. Next paragraph is about transport system. Here in India, transport system is there, no? Here in India, transport system is there. Transport system, what we use? We use railway, we use buses, we use auto, and we use aeroplane, helicopter, many things are there. But important fact about Mauritius is the only one country. Dear students, I want to tell you something important. I just want to tell you. So,